In August 2024, at the International Defense Industry Fair in Istanbul, Turkey unveiled an ambitious new air defense concept called the Steel Dome, Çelik Kubbe. Aimed at competing with Israel's renowned Iron Dome, the Steel Dome represents Turkey's latest effort to strengthen its defense capabilities amidst growing regional security challenges. The system is being developed by leading Turkish defense companies, including Aselsan and Roketsan, both of which have extensive experience in cutting-edge military technology. Unlike conventional defense systems, the Steel Dome is designed to integrate a wide range of technologies to create a robust and adaptable defense network. Central to its effectiveness is its ability to utilize network-centric technologies and artificial intelligence. This allows the system to process vast amounts of data in real time, helping it accurately identify and neutralize various threats, including rockets, missiles, drones, and even artillery fire. The integration of AI enables rapid response times and smarter targeting, improving the system's overall efficiency in protecting key infrastructure and urban areas. Although still in the conceptual stage, the Steel Dome has already attracted international attention. Turkey's defense industry has been expanding its reach in recent years, with significant growth in exports to countries in Africa, the Middle East, and Central Asia. The Steel Dome is expected to follow this trend, with the potential for foreign sales and international collaboration once it becomes operational. This aligns with Turkey's broader goals of achieving self-sufficiency in defense production and reducing reliance on foreign imports. As Turkey continues to invest in its defense industry, the Steel Dome stands out as a symbol of the country's ambitions to become a major player in the global defense market. If successful, it could transform Turkey's ability to defend against modern threats, while also positioning Turkish defense firms as leaders in the development of advanced missile defense systems. Turkey's Anka-3, an advanced jet-powered drone developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, represents a significant step in Turkey's unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) evolution. Anka-3 is a stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed for high-end reconnaissance, combat, and intelligence-gathering missions. Its key features include a low observable design that enhances its stealth capabilities, making it ideal for operations in contested environments. Recent updates have focused on refining the drone's aerodynamic shape to minimize radar visibility, significantly improving its range, speed, and payload capabilities. The Anka-3 is expected to support a wide variety of missions, ranging from intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance to air-to-ground strikes and potentially electronic warfare operations. This advanced drone is also designed to carry a diverse range of munitions, giving it exceptional flexibility in different combat scenarios and making it a versatile asset on the battlefield. The Anka-3 builds on Turkey's growing expertise and experience in UAV development, following the notable success of drones like the Bayraktar TB2, which has seen widespread use in various conflict zones around the world. With its enhanced stealth features and jet propulsion system, the Anka-3 represents a more sophisticated and advanced class of UAVs, enabling Turkey to compete on a global scale with leading drone-producing nations. This progression marks a significant step forward in Turkey's defense capabilities and technological advancements in unmanned aerial systems. The Bayraktar Akıncı, developed by Turkish aerospace company Baykar, is a cutting-edge unmanned combat aerial vehicle that represents a significant leap in drone technology. Designed to perform a wide array of tasks, the Akıncı is known for its versatility, long endurance, and ability to carry a variety of advanced weaponry. This UCAV is a crucial asset in modern warfare due to its capability to operate at high altitudes and its proficiency in both intelligence gathering and combat roles. One of the standout features of the Akıncı is its ability to operate at altitudes of up to 40,000 feet, which significantly expands its operational scope. This high-altitude capability, combined with its endurance of over 24 hours, allows the drone to undertake prolonged missions without the need for frequent refueling. This endurance is critical for persistent surveillance, intelligence collection, and executing strategic strikes deep into enemy territory. Songar is a low-altitude, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Asisguard for the Turkish Armed Forces. It includes a quadcopter UAV, a ground control station, and ground support equipment. It operates in both autonomous and manual flight modes, featuring route planning, autonomous flight, and autonomous return to base in critical battery charge level and data link disconnection situations. It can transmit telemetry data and images simultaneously. Songar has an operational range of approximately 10 kilometers and is equipped with both daylight and infrared cameras. It is fitted with several built-in weapons and can remotely destroy targets. The maximum takeoff weight, when fully equipped and armed, is 45 kilograms. It operates at a height of 400 meters above ground level and a maximum elevation of 2.8 kilometers above mean sea level. The drone is dust resistant, complying with the IP67 standard, and has GPS and global navigation satellite system compatible navigation capability. This system is advantageous because it is low cost, customizable, easy to use, lightweight, and portable by personnel across multiple units. The first Songar drone was delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces in 2020 and integrated into a tactical 4x4 wheeled armored fighting vehicle. In November 2021, it was announced that Songar was being exported to 2 countries. Songar includes an automatic gun stabilizer, recoil damping, and a tiltable barrel. It features a 10x magnification pilot camera, a gun camera, and a ground control station. The drone can continue its mission with a quickly changeable magazine, requiring no special intervention. Simultaneous missions can be performed with one or multiple drones. The drone conducts aerial reconnaissance, destroys targets, performs post-operative damage assessments, and transmits real-time images. In March 2022, a Songar drone with a laser-guided mini-missile system was tested. It can fire 6 mini-missiles developed by Troy Technology. Intended for use in cross-border and residential areas, the missiles are launched from 550 millimeters long, single-use tubes. Songar with mini-missiles is used to destroy fixed targets, such as unarmored and lightly armored vehicles, buildings, and small structures. The Kargu-2 is a quadcopter drone built by the Turkish company STM. It uses machine learning algorithms embedded on the platform, enabling it to operate autonomously, as well as manually. Unlike the Bayraktar TB2, the Kargu-2 is designed as an anti-personnel weapon capable of selecting and engaging human targets based on machine learning object classification. Although various ammunition options are available, the Kargu-2 detonates an explosive charge close to the target, minimizing collateral damage. Due to these characteristics, humanitarian concerns should focus on the drone's ability to distinguish legitimate military targets from protected civilians and direct its attacks accordingly. The technical difficulties of proportionality assessments when civilian collateral damage is expected are irrelevant unless the Kargu-2 is deployed in heavily populated civilian areas. Weapons that cannot make this distinction or limit their attack effects are already prohibited under customary international law. Commanders and operators must do everything feasible to verify that targets are legitimate military objectives and cancel or suspend an attack if it becomes apparent that the target is not a military objective. The drone's machine learning-based object classification using real-time image processing may help meet the distinction requirement. This is especially true if the system is trained to recognize features common among legitimate military targets, such as uniforms and other visual indicators of military affiliation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.